Big up Crosses TV.
I'll be a crosses you have over your master.
Crosses TV there.
Clean quality pussy, you can't get this, not even sniff it.
No,
Or if you that sniff, move your blood clot, way, and back up. Talk about say what about scent. Scent to keep. That's somebody from your son. It will stink up the water. Stinking pussy. Him got a long time, you wouldn't sing this so. Him know about stinking pussy. Teach him. You not fuck no pussy.
I love my friend.
Love your friend? Look like he's a retard. Look at me fuck handicap.
Yeah. God, yeah, retard.
You ever tell someone fuck you, sir?
He's a retard.
Me no walk and look, man.
That one is a retard.
Me no walk and look, man. Me never walk and look a boy yet. Me no walk and look, man. Me no walk and look, man. Me never walk and look a man yet. Me never walk and look man yet.
Be lying, not you.
Me no walk and look, man. Me never look a man yet. If me like you, me talk to you, but me not look you. You can't tell about it. Me never look a man yet. Me never look a boy yet. If me like you, me talk to you. Me no look man. Oh, me no look man.
Look at him, see him. With the tongue ring, you know, the bag, with the tongue ring.
I wear my tongue ring, purple bag juice, pink with bag juice, yellow with bag juice. You can never get me for fuck.
Let me do it,
you can't fuck me. So worry about tongue ring. You can't fuck me. You can't even sniff my pussy. You know what? I'm no retarded boy and I'm old. I'm mad boy. Boy. But money. When I talk about money, my friends for money and things. Like, of course, I'm mad boy that. Is my friends for things? I'm not frightened for them. I'm not frightened. Move your blood clot. Where?
Mad boy.
Nothing a blood clot frightening. You're not fool.
June got with dollar. Dollar Junior deal with, you know. Dollar US, June.
Me not frightened. You retarded, you. You don't walk and look, man. Me don't want food no money. You can't fuck me. You can't fuck me. You can't fuck me. Not when? Which year?
This year. If me want, and I ask you. Tell me till a June.
Furthermore, we don't even like you.
Furthermore, I'm going to take you in a June.
Me not like you. That's why they come in I say, go on and I run you. Me never get the time of the day yet.
You give me time of the day.
When?
Last week.
When?
Last week, whipping at night about 2 o'clock.
Me?
When up your move.
Me?
You come and hunt me.
I don't know in the background, I want to live. Me?
Yeah.
What if I want a number? What if I don't want a fucking name? It stink like.
Of course, I know me.
We don't have a name, we don't have a name, we don't know if any name. But don't even know if any man, rat, sat, cat. I don't even know where your blood clot name. Go on your drunk crow. Where? Me no want your money.
Money enough, Joe.
Me no want your money. I'm not psycho blood clot delic. I'm not crazy. Me no want your money. When you talk about enough money. When you talk about money, enough money, what are you talking about?
Money enough, yeah, Joe.
When you talk about enough money, what you talk about?
Money enough, yeah, Joe.
120 Canadian dollar?
No, not alone, Joe.
You stink like.
Not alone.
120 Canadian dollar?
Dollar you have nada.
120 Canadian dollar money?
Dollar you have nada. You know, ask Christ. Dollar you have on your phone. If you have dollar.
Pan this nasty blood clotness, look here. Nastiness. Pan him blood clot and miggle. Pan him and miggle. Yeah. You look where your finger.
Oh, yeah, you have video, man. You want to put in your mouth?
Oh.
You want to put in your mouth?
You couldn't even stop my pussy because your tongue dirty. I pay trash for your tongue. Me don't want to color in my blood clot hole. Some of you more dirt and the infection move your blood clot. Right, see? Some of you more dirt like you like video. Some of you more dirty and full of color and you could even suck my pussy. Can't no more not having pure blood clot white trash. Uno no brush teeth. Me no want walk a scotch on a blood clot dig. Can't no mouth full of cholera.
What's happening to her, baby? Long and dirty.
Long and dirty. Look at this nasty dirty one. Watch out. Pon the underpants you have on. Me no fuck boy when I have that underpants when I have no blood clot name. Look at this dirty man. Eh? You could have put your tongue, your foot in my mouth. But pay and shit more and shit and piss by your dirty blood clot. Pay piss and shit. Eh? Look at this blood clot half dead. Eh? For his toes. Look at him blood clot too. Eh? What's your underpants? Could underpants do now? How would underpants name? Now have no name and no blood clot, yes. Pan yo. But push. Look at you. Eh? Look at you. Look at this. What's your foot them?
Queer mouth. They more come like corals, this. Joan.
Are you the cockroaches the pan?
Joan.
Okay.
Video where I walk and look in your mouth. Video what I look in your mouth.
Cha.
Yeah, Joan, look video what I
What
look
the pan the mouth? Your mouth kinda look like you have blood clot herpes. You stink like. Your mouth kinda look like you have blood clot herpes. Like you have blood clot peas. What you say? Make a reason make a blood clot talk. Herpes mouth boy. Syphilis mouth boy. Boy with the sword them must surround your blood clot mouth to reason and talk. Hmm? Make a reason.
Money. That beg me money, Joe.
Me I beg your money, you have money?
That batty boy, that be the money.
You have money?
That boy, brother. That be the money.
Look at this nasty. Watch him. If Cuff was a person upon underpants, no name. No care your spin, I can't say a name for your underwear. Eh? Eh? No care your spin. I can't say a name on your underwear. Where you talk? Where you say now? Let me a reason. You say you have money. We go down a money story. Where your underpants name? Where your slippers name?
Your phone name.
Eh?
Your phone.
Where your phone name?
Tr8.
Are your body gate? Are your throat? Can I find a man fuck you and go on things on an undercover batty man? That's on a class woman and 8 woman. Man fuck you and go on things. Text up on you, I want your big fly. Big blood fly with the blood clot for your teeth. You could have sucked my pussy. I would have scratched from now till next year. Beer dig. But dig till me have rush and sore. Talk to make a reason. Me said talk to make a reason. I would have dig till I have scratch and sores. Put it up. You nasty dirty germs back blood clot you about fuck. Can fuck me? Eh? We are beg me for fuck you. You always want to talk to me and I don't want to talk to you. You always. Out of everybody is you. Always want to talk to me. I'm always around the table and say, excuse me, move now. You. You. Your underpants don't even have name. Go like from one cuff and take another. I elevate time, what me I do no. When the money can't trick me. Like the 120 like Canada can't trick me. And this one me young one trick when you go fuck me and trick me. Time. Eh?
Hey, tell you to not like me. You see? I can blind.
Where you say no dirty grass bag? Can you talk a while ago? Look at his toenails. And the dirt me I look pan.
Work me around.
Where the work where you do? Where your blood clot belly? Watch it. But who no want class people. Look at you know. Ain't someone original blood clot team Batman. Team Batman. I want the facts and the great them say it's our team Batman. You can't class me? You can't class me? Only if I could ever suck my pussy, I'll be digging for days. Cause I'm out dirty in my brush teeth. I'm gonna turn white like chalk. I'm gonna turn white like chalk. So come make a reason now. Make a reason. Make a talk. Cause yeah, from what the minutes you follow me up. I'm gonna tell something I want to learn in my mouth. You're not gonna like it. You know you follow me up. But don't worry for fuck. But don't. Of course you want for fuck. Of course. But don't worry for fuck.
Can't find your job and shit needs your blood clot job.
Now what?
And you have shape to
Shape. 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 That's why you for fuck batty. I'm supposed to shape bad.
Why?
I have 2 beautiful kids. I'm not running shape again. I'm not running shape. One way my pussy shape a have split. One way I saw me cock it up so. No set now blow up in your face. You know you can't eat and dine. Yeah.
Talk away from you and
yeah.
Talk no Jones, you can't talk.
Shape.
No, you can't up on me, Jones.
A shape of your problem? How would it blood clot this? I told you look you can't get a shape good girl. Ever stick to a fit you. You couldn't get a shape good because you're dirty. You couldn't get a shape good because you're dirty in a blood clot. You couldn't get a shape good girl. Now if you suck her pussy because you're dirty. You're dirty. You're dirty. You're dirty. You couldn't get a shape good girl for fuck. I said this a shape bad girl and no why for fuck. You can't fuck me. No time. I when my blind and a blood clot for you. Cause I'm gonna smell you because you have a scent. What you say? Talk to me reason. Shape.
And put you and them together.
Yeah, people eat pig. You know them pork. You know them pork and porky. You smile. Smile by your face, see? You know them pork and porky. Pork and porky. Where? I move your blood clot. Me are ag related. I got mama, yeah. I got my mother. I got my blood clot, mama. But you know Yawa, you're in the sky. As me the picture on him is a chunk crow. Crow bait big fly, dirty nasty dark shit. I shape on the problem. Me don't have no blood clot shape. I got blood clot the breast and got the bottom. My pussy good. I 2 times I fuck and breed, I'ma get caught. I catch alone boy my word. This are good. This are blood. Me never fuck no boy one time and then them run. All the boy me fuck and me now look upon them and me put them on the shelf. Oh! Oh! And that you want hear my business?
Yeah. No man no one.
Are you no man no one?
Careful, I bend over I breast and jab a gun, you know. And jab gun, you know. Careful.
My breast and jab a gun not wrong. Not wrong. I 2 pennies up my breast them mine. And no stinking money go up on them like your one. Pennies up my breast them. Woman, you can't smile because I'm not gonna show you for you catch your kicks. 2 pennies up my breast them. Man, woman, boy, pennies up them yeah.
Woman, you're lesbian.
Man, woman, suck them yeah. Anyway you want to put it. Me a lesbian, me no want to fuck your mama. Cause your mama fuck a scandal bag where a blood gun and get you. You is a product of a scandal bag where a blood clot gun. You is a product of a scandal bag where a blood gun. Me now move a blood clot. Cause you stop me, you can't lick me. You stop with me, you can't lick. Your mama fuck a scandal bag when I get you. It's a product of a scandal bag. You is a product, you can't lick me. And tell me you can't come back boy, you come work. And if you can't blood clot save you. I can't believe me, I'm chopping your blood clot. I'm respect I'm a friend, you can't save you. Me are chopping your blood clot face. I burn up with some acid. You can't get no save boy. It's a product of a scandal blood clot bag. Suck your mother, move your blood clot. It's a product of a garbage bag. One the big one them was ever 20 and I was sale dog shit. We are saying product of a garbage bag. You know something about me? Boy, you like tongue. Yeah. Yeah. Cause my tongue clean, I have a trash on my tongue. And my tongue have no whip of dirt mark. No whip of dirt man on my tongue clean and mud. My breath fresh. When full teeth have 3 color, green, yellow and blood clot, brown. Tell me you want to come in and chat like you can't come style me. Me want shape with a blood clot. Cause shape would not gonna blood clot where shape I go. The mother blood clot shape good girl suck cocky a look up batty. Like we don't gonna get topless. You never see my size down there. Some girl with them breasts up so and the body cock out on them well. When man say the man say bumbo clad, sexy a fuck. I want them belong a bad panchos is like dog. For 6 grand. Eh, me nah sell my dignity blood clot tea. Someone wanna can't fuck me. When I go and tell me shit, them shirt and dish out and go to make on the it. Count is a blood clot at a slime bag. Move your blood clot. Ipsy dipsy spider up on the wall. Cockroach. Flying insect. You stink like. Me don't want money from you. Me don't want your money. Me don't want your money. Me don't want your blood. You can't lick me that, me I tell you. Let me try put it there before you go there. Me chop out your blood and you can't call it neither. Come me war them. And them would have to pepper spray me and beat me. Me spit on all them too. Me I tell you before you go there, cause it's like you want to come get blood clot serious. When you want to come get, I saw the brown man tell the last time, you know, when you want to come get, I said, those who June, cause one thing me know for sure, she not have blood clots here. When I like see people come get, I said that night.
You see me actually me?
Me also what I said to your stinking friend, honey, nothing. I come talk about blood clot tongue ring. Eh, you're dirty. You're dirty. What you now work out with your work, you never clean yet.
You say, yeah, chat, and I think about me, I have a problem, brother, but don't want you want disrespect and pass the place. Don't do that. Don't do that. You see me?
Me disrespect and pass, but don't lie me I tell. Don't lie me I tell. It's not lie. Your motherfucker a scanner bag and get you.
I photo say want to go get money, man. Mash
me say I your motherfucker scanner bag and get you. Never this your mother. Me never this your mother. Me this your mother no. Me never this your mother. Me say your motherfucker scandal bag, the big garbage bag on there so that also for 20 and get you. Me never this your mother. Me this your mother friend? No. I never tell you say your mother pussy big, your mother did. I never said that. I say your mother fuck a scandal bag and get you. That means you are waste. That's what I'm trying to tell you is a waste. Me never see a woman come here yet and carry some food, come cook, come there and say it's a hard working blood clot man and a scavenger. And I'm from the earth. Me never see a woman come here and say, honey, see some lunch here. I come here wait for you till I get blood clot here. You know, hide and fuck batty. That's why I discriminate blood clot woman and try to bring them down. No boy can't bring me because I open my blood clot foot. The break not stop. No boy can blood clot bring me down. Cause me don't accept me shit bad already. But I one thing you can't know, you will never know. Me know me have a good pussy on my foot. Me not ask nobody. Me never fuck a boy one time and him run. Him fuck me just a run so. Me never fuck a boy one time and him fuck me just a as him fuck me him run. The boy never bag my face and boy want fuck me in that broad light and me want the light for lock off. Boy want fuck me in the light and me want lock off the light and me don't want to see them. Yeah. Bright. And outer order. And rude. You want to come get bright about tongue. Tongue is supposed to in my mouth. Take a time and say, if they boy them tongue so good. Like I start off, you know. Let us start off. I got them about tongue and what have to tell me say me suck with them and I can't know straight say. Any boy me about and gossip about me first. Cause my man can change, you know. Can me say yeah man when you about me say Tr8. I can't bother. Yeah. Me can't bother, you're too bright. Can't get a forward that for me in the aliens. Where? And if I want to fuck batty. From the deep sound of heart, when I have manpower on mind. I'm a class and bring down woman. No matter what woman, no matter how she's a woman. You can talk about respect your mother, miss somebody mother so. You want this somebody else mother, eh? Or you want this somebody else blood clot, man. Move your blood clot. You can this me? You motherfucker insect and get a 4-legged blood clot toad. You stink like. Your belly. Your face come like when baby shooting her pampers and jog Dog drive to and tear it up. Where? Your face come like shit up pampas where dog bite and jaw and tear it up. 1 hours one me no want shit with a blood clot. Yeah boy fuck me same way. Me never in a fuck race with no boy. Me get fuck anytime, any hour. Me not fuck you in a fuck story. How you want buy fuck? How you want somebody some come send some fuck? Me never in a fuck story. And me never pay a boy for fuck me yet. I'm at 30 this year. Me never pay a boy for fuck me yet. Me never pay a boy for. I don't know if I pay one for fuck them. You come and you see me so about, oh me have 2,000. Go throw the 2,000 up in your body. I want it when you push up in your body, you take out and blend and drink it. The dog shit yo. Slime blood clot bucket. Crumbs of the earth. Panal blood clot them are all sitting here watch them because it's underpants we don't have any name. Eh? Look at this something, this image. Can you argue with me? Not if your underpants you don't have any name. You can argue with me? No focus on me because I'm in a locus of blood clot. I'm not dirty. You can't fuck me. I don't have money to ever walk on the walk. I drop a me I walk, I pick up. Me I walk, I bend and I pick up behind now. You can't fuck me. No time. Cause number one, be no sooner woman surround you not pay man. Cause you're not even cute. Not boy you me like. You're not even cute. You're black and crusty. And you do all in your finger them. In your finger, your whole palm, your finger them bust up, like you're greater. For your band, you're the greater in work. Move your dirty blood clot. From your band, you're the greater in blood clot work. For your band, a greater work you do. Where? You can't class me? Eh? Me not more top heavy in a blood clot. Yeah. My top heavy but me nice. Me can't spin on any blood clot camera. I mean, no set now blown in your face. Move. Watch all them dirty. What are them dirty? Look at his feet. Eh? Look there. Show your hand, Miguel. Over there, 10 finger, 52. Oh, money. You have money. You stink like. Like I arrest you now, you're speechless. But the next time you come to me, I'm going to go harder than that because you like play blood clot for you. You like, you can't offer me no lick, you know. Because I'm going to burn you, put some acid, and I'm going to chop up your blood clot. I'm going to bleach up you and chop you up. I'm serious. Because I always want to come see people and get bright. Like you know something about me. Eh? I never fight a boy race and lose it yet. Me a boy will cheer for me in a silent. When I'm seeing him at the pan, boom, 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 in a silent. Me don't want a little trail like that not gonna wear. More people cheer for me at them when I'm seeing them out. Beat for me. Me not man race, but pussy good. Me never fuck a boy one time and him run. Any boy want me fuck and me put them on shelf. And say, alright then. You have to use no more, go back to your shelf where you did the pan. Because me take one off of the blood clot shelf. What do you mean by? You're outer hard than a blood clot. And if I hide, we hide and fuck them still a tray for me. I'ma run them. Me say boy, come up and come argue with me. I'm argue with him and tell him don't chat to me and he make sure he still want to talk to me. And every time him see me and talk to him, I'ma run him.
Yeah.
Where? Every time him see me and talk to him, I run him like dog. I said, don't blood clot chat to me. I want him go on there and him go on himself. I'm a class in a remote. Him see me about 3 times after that try to talk to me. First time I run him, the second time I run him, the third time I run him, and the fourth time I see him cut my blood clot. Yeah, me, I done in my fuck race. Me, I done in my fuck blood clot street. The boy can't fuck me and class me. Because the man is secret for me. Because anybody me bow upon if I bow upon me. And you got to go first. So tell me where you're there upon. If you're ready for bow. Suck back like and true talk to me. True talk. You ready for do? You ready for sniff like coke? I take cocaine. Coke not sell yourself. We are do. Next thing you don't see me in no story with me. Next time. Next time. Dirty green, black, yellow, brown teeth. You don't see me in no story with me. Cause me born very fully detective. Me mad. I something you something I got just trigger off me innocence. Don't in an argument with me. Cause my son finger don't look like yours. You're born in a great time world. Cause your hand make a black, strippy, white up and bust up in a blood clot. And I appear syphilis and herpes around your blood clot rib cage. And your lip. Your lip full of pure syphilis and herpes. Way. And your hand up on 30. Watch there. Look at all that. And all the black on the body, you know. Look there. The whole and blood clot body gone up in her belly. Watch there. It's sweet or real. Can I look at her teeth? All the you talk, you couldn't fuck because you don't have nobody. Me that's sad when you don't fuck me. You can't finger me because I don't know what's wrong with your finger. You can't finger me because I don't know what's wrong with your finger. But look at this man. Look at his belly. You need a waist trainer for a man. You have a class me, you need a waist trainer. Look at this man discriminate me, oh lord. You need a waist trainer. Look at his tummy, he's a man. Your dick can't have, have a pink ring finger. Chicks body and ringer balls. You have cocky for fuck nobody? This not...